Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the notes on a guitar. The guitar has 6 strings, and each one is tuned to a specific open note. Standard tuning from the thickest to the thinnest string is E, A, D, G, B, and high E. Understanding this fundamental layout is your first step. Each fret on the guitar neck represents a half step, meaning that pressing down on a fret changes the note by one semitone. This consistent pattern is key to navigating the fretboard. The chromatic scale is crucial for understanding the guitar fretboard. It includes all 12 notes within an octave, moving up or down by half steps. On the guitar, moving up one fret always increases the note by a half step. For example, if your open string is E, the first fret is F, and the second fret is F sharp. Begin by learning the natural notes, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, across the fretboard. To effectively memorize the fretboard, start by focusing on the low E and A strings. These two strings provide a solid foundation for understanding the entire neck. A powerful technique is using octaves. Once you find a note on one string, you can often locate the same note an octave higher or lower on another string. Consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will significantly improve your recall. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Playing scales and arpeggios is an excellent way to reinforce note recognition and build muscle memory. Try to identify the notes in simple songs you already know, which makes learning more engaging and practical. Don't hesitate to use a tuner or various online tools to check your accuracy and ensure you are playing the correct notes. Consistent application is vital for mastery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.